How do you look forward to sa paglawak nga dito sa ating EVA Air Marathon considering nga you're a triathlete, you're a runner, and a multi-sport athlete sa wall? Kasi si Faith, lagi yan napipicture, and even si Lian sa sports corner namin eh. Yes, Faith?
Actually, to tell you a story po, I'll be joining my first full Ironman this June. So, ang target ko talaga is to get a slot for Ironman World Championship sa October. So, if ever makakuha ko ng slot, it is in October 10. So, hindi ko alam kung makakapag-push ako, kung makakuha ako ng slot, kasi medyo magkadikit siya. So, right now, hindi ko pa masabi kung makakapag-PR ako, but I will really finish the race.
Oo nga, medyo hectic ang schedule ni Ma'am Faith. Si Ma'am Lian, aka DJ Marathoni. Ma'am, how do you look forward nga dito sa, hopefully, kung ma-register ka man o makalaok ka dito sa marathon, kasi alam mo naman, you have a vast experience of joining a marathon while doing your love as a radio DJ.
Wow! Thank you so much for that wonderful question. First off is actually I'm training din for a full marathon this coming March 8 sa Clark, Pampanga. So kanina nga sabi ko, every day I get to run for this. And this is something that I should also think of or consider kasi after my full marathon, I'll be, dito ko siya una sinabi. I'll be joining Hyrox naman for it's another sport wherein we get to do much endurance and upper body. So ngayon, if ever given a chance, if kaya pa ng katawan to do another marathon in October, why not? Especially dito sa EPA Air Marathon. Thank you.
Thank you po.